So I have the H2D and I have two AMS2s, and I wanted to try drying. I haven't tried drying with it yet. And so I bought a third-party power supply for the second AMS2 because if you have more than one, you need to add a power supply for it to dry. So I done did that. I bought one off the Amazonians. So let's see if it works. So I've parked all my filament on the side. I got my third-party power supply hooked up. I don't know why my big head's in there. Okay, seems to be working. Wait and see if the temperature goes up. Yep, temperature just went up. Now I have not went and read anything at Bamboo, but somebody needs to explain this to me. I thought the purpose of a drying AMS is so I could dry and print. Not dry for 8 hours, let this machine set here for 8 hours drying, and then print with it. So let's see if we can get both of them going at the same time. Look at that. So we can both go. So you could dry 8 spools at a time. Can't print. Now it did make a comment on here that said PLA and TPU. I wonder if I load PETG in here only, if I could print and run. Okay, so I loaded a spool of PETG. I'm going to tell it it's pet cheese. Start. Oh, look at that. So you can. All right, so it's drying with PETG loaded. So let's see if it'll let me load the filament while it's drying. Oh, that's interesting. Oh no, it doesn't say it's drying. Unable to dry temporarily due to AMS is busy. So with PETG, you don't have to unload it. You can keep it loaded, you can turn on the dryer, and you can dry. But it does not appear that you can print while it's drying. So yeah. Like I said, I haven't read anything over at the old Bamboozles. So maybe this is something they're gonna change. Or a $400 and some filament dryer. That's kind of nuts. And the whole point of it is being able to print while it's drying. So anybody wants to turn their $2,200 to $2,700 3D printer into a $100 dryer, here's the power supply you'll need if you want to connect a second AMS2. If you just have one connected to H2D, you don't need this. This is only if you have a second one. And it's the 24 volt 4 amp. And here's the details if you want to pause and grab that. But yeah, and it was $13.99. It was, at the time of video, it was $40 on Bamboo site.